Hello everyone, welcome back to Law with Professor Anita. If you are preparing for CLAT 2026, the first and most important thing you must understand clearly is the syllabus and exam pattern. Many students start solving mocks without fully understanding what exactly is being tested. That's a big mistake. CLAT is conducted by the Consortium of National Law Universities for admission into law programs in NLUs across India. Let us break this down section by section. First, the exam pattern. CLAT 2026 will most likely follow the same structure as previous years. The paper will be 2 hours long and will consist of 120 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 1 mark. There is a negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer, so accuracy is extremely important. It is crucial to attempt only those questions you are confident about, as each incorrect answer carries negative marking, so ensure you attempt only the ones you are absolutely sure of. Now let's talk about the major 5 parts. The first part is English language. You can expect around 22 to 26 questions. These will be comprehension-based passages. You will be tested on vocabulary, tone, inference, and grammar in context. This part checks your reading speed and understanding ability. The second part is current affairs, including general knowledge. Around 28 to 32 questions come from here. Most questions are passage-based and related to events from the last 1 year. Focus on legal developments, important judgments, constitutional amendments, international events, and government schemes. The third part is legal reasoning. This is the most important section with around 28 to 32 questions. You are given principles and fact-based situations. You must apply logic. No prior legal knowledge is required, but legal awareness helps. The fourth part is logical reasoning. Around 22 to 26 questions. It tests analytical ability, critical reasoning, assumptions, arguments, and logical conclusions. The fifth part is quantitative techniques, around 10 to 14 questions. These are based on basic mathematics up to class 10 level, including percentages, ratios, profit and loss, and data interpretation. Now the important question, how should you prepare for English? Read editorials daily. For current affairs, revise monthly compilations. For legal reasoning, practice case-based questions daily. For logical reasoning, solve sectional tests regularly. For quantitative, practice basic mathematics and data interpretation sets every week. Remember, CLAT is not about mugging up facts. It is about reading speed, comprehension, interpretation, and application. All the best. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.